I'm standing in the middle of the street, in the middle of downtown. You know, I just needed to get a change of scenery. A family member gifted me a hotel for a night. I'll take them up on it.
You know the vibes out on this side. Yeah, you know the vibes. Been in this thing winning rings for a while.
And it feels so good to get back on the road again. This is about a 24-hour road trip, 2 hours from home, driving the camper, staying in a hotel. But you know what? I needed an adventure. The opportunity came. Weather's gonna be beautiful. I've got my bicycle in the back. Got a nice room here. There was a guy out there that needed a jump. I couldn't fit my vehicle underneath the, whatever you call the shade in front of the door. My jumper box was dead, so he seemed pretty sketchy. I left my jumper cables with him, said he was gonna leave them behind a pole. Man, he needed help. I have a feeling I won't see those jumper cables again, but sometimes people surprise you. Sun's pretty close to down already. We're gonna get downtown, do a little riding. I don't know how much footage I'll get tonight. Maybe tomorrow will be footy day. It is Saturday. I'm standing in the middle of the street, in the middle of downtown. $2 for 2 hours of parking, no troubles finding parking. We're gonna grab the bike here and go do a little bit of cruising. And I mean, it's like exploring. I haven't been here in so long. It'll all feel like a new place. So time to go have a little bit of fun and enjoy having the home living room right here if I want to come back and chill.
Racing to the finish line. Seatbelt, fast whips, got a win in mind. See me when I skirt off, ain't no 10 in mine. Friends keep saying slow down, should've seen the signs. Riding down the street road, where we going, I don't know. God, please protect me, I'm halfway home. Take the wheel right now, I let go. Thinking about the ones that let go. I thought by now you forgive me. No, it's not easy forgiving. Found a new reason for living. Nice says, making noise, all I hear him say.
Had the most amazing day yesterday, and I'm afraid the memory card might have gotten corrupted. Hopefully I can salvage it. I don't want to even tell you about what this footage was. Hopefully we can bring it back. So we're just going to take out the drone today. I'm on my phone now and it's got no memory, so let's see what we can do with the drone. Well, with the memory card troubles and restricted drone space, I think it's time to just head back home, make sure I can salvage this awesome footage I hope to show you. Man, I had a blast yesterday. It would really mean the world if you liked and subscribed.